Get ready for a tech revolution. Apple just unveiled its most groundbreaking product lineup yet at the awe-dropping keynote in Cupertino, and the implications are shaking up the smartphone and wearable industries. But here's where it gets controversial. While the specs are impressive, some upgrades might not be worth the wait for casual users. Let's dive into the details, and yes, we're asking you to weigh in on the biggest debates at the end. Apple's hour-long event dropped a flurry of new gadgets, including the iPhone 17 series, Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and AirPods Pro 3. ZDNet's on-the-ground team is live tracking every twist, and we'll keep this blog updated with hands-on insights and reactions as they pour in. The iPhone 17 series, power, portability, but the real showstopper is the $999 iPhone Air, Apple's thinnest and lightest phone ever. With a titanium frame and a single camera sensor, it sacrifices some versatility for sleek design. And this is the part most people miss. The Air uses an A19 Pro chip, the same powerhouse as the Pro models, but runs on eSIM only globally. Critics are already questioning if ditching physical SIM slots is a smart move. What do you think? The Pro and Pro Max models, $1,099 and $1,199, boast a redesigned vapor chamber cooling system, which Apple claims improves thermal efficiency by 40%. This means longer battery life and sustained performance during heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. The telephoto lens now offers 8 times optical zoom, down from 5 times in previous models, sparking debates about whether the trade-off is worth it for photography enthusiasts. The $399 Series 11 introduces Sleep Scores, a feature that analyzes your rest patterns using advanced algorithms. It also supports 5G and a ceramic design that's twice as scratch-resistant. But will users pay a premium for features they might never use? We'd love to hear your take. The Apple Watch SE 3, $249, rounds out the lineup with an S. They also support Apple Intelligence for live translation and include 5 new ear tip sizes for a better fit. However, the absence of rumored temperature tracking has left some disappointed. Could this be a missed opportunity to compete with smart rings like Aura? Share your thoughts in the comments. Sub-controversy and community discussion. Apple's decisions have always sparked debate. Here are a few hot topics from the event. 1. iPhone Air's eSIM-only design. Drop your opinions in the comments. Are you excited about the iPhone 17 lineup, or do you think Apple missed the mark this time? What product would you upgrade to first, and why? Let's keep the conversation going.